In our today's tutorial we will discuss, what is a direct online starter? DOL starter, direct online starter, is also known as across-the-line starter. DOL starter is a device consist of main contactor, protective devices and overload relay which is used for motor starting operations. It is used for low rating usually below 5 HP motors. First of all, let's draw the wiring. In the direct online starter circuit, there are two types of wiring which are power wiring and control wiring. Power wiring supply the electric power to the motor while the control circuit is used to on and off the motor. Neutral wire is connected directly with contactor coil. Phase wire first connected from MCB to overload normally close contact and from NC contact power goes to the normally close contacts of the off push button. Through the off push button NC contacts wire draws to the on push button. Normally open contacts of on push buttons are used. Through the on push button finally power goes to the relay coil PF magnetic contactor. When we on the power breaker the power reaches up to the input contacts on contactor. When we press the on push button the contactor coil activated and contactor's power contacts becomes close and supply power to the motor and motor becomes start. To keep running the motor continuously this holding wire is installed. When we push the off push button it cuts the power supply of contactor coil and deactivate it thus contactor power contacts become open isolate power of the motor and motor becomes stop. Thermal over relay is used to protect the motor from overload. When is current increase from the set point current limit the overload activates it off the motor and isolate the motor from the power supply. As you can see in the diagram the coil supply of magnetic contactor is supplied through the normally close contacts of overload relay. When the relay activates its normally close contact becomes open and stop passing the power.